In a recent development, controversial ex-Big Brother Naija star Deeone has urged Nigerians to support media personality Nedu following his departure from the Honest Bunch podcast amid his ongoing feud with social media critic Martins Vincent Otte, popularly known as Very Dark Man (VDM). The controversy began when Deeone appeared on Nedu's podcast, where he made bold allegations about VDM's sexuality, claiming he was gay. This led to a strong reaction from VDM, who accused Nedu of orchestrating the claims and attempting to tarnish his reputation after he refused to be a guest on the podcast. Following the backlash, Nedu announced his exit from the Honest Bunch podcast, stating that he was frequently made the scapegoat for discussions on the show. In response to Nedu's resignation, Deeone publicly defended him, refuting VDM's accusations. He insisted that Nedu had no influence over his statement and pleaded with Nigerians to start his remarks on the podcast were entirely his own. He said,
Nigerians, Nedu is going through a lot. He did not tell me to post anything. Nedu did not tell me. That man is innocent. I swear with everything in this life, Nedu did not tell me to post anything. Please, all good, well-meaning Nigerians, please come out. Please. This is not content. This is real stuff. Peter Obi, Showore, Obi Kubana, Chief Priest, Kubana Chief Priest, E-Money, Casey, Davido, Don Jazzy, all of you should come out. VDM lied. He lied. He lied. He lied. Blessing CEO, Gege, Brother Mike, everybody should come out. Daddy Freeze. This guy lied. Nedu did not tell me anything. He's manipulating everything. Sada Bodge. He is manipulating everything. Nedu is innocent. This is the same thing that happened to Mohbad. This is the same thing that happened to Mohbad. Nedu is innocent. Don't let this guy die. Don't let him die. Sheyi Tinubu, please. King Wasiu Ayinde Marshal, please. Come to the rescue of Nedu. Please, all well-meaning Nigerians, please. This is not content. This is real life. That man is going through a lot. Please. Please, don't let him die. Please. VDM manipulated. VDM lied. VDM lied against Nedu. He lied against Nedu. He lied against Nedu. Instablog. He lied against Nedu. Everybody in Nigeria. He lied against Nedu. All well-meaning Nigerians. I've been crying since. VDM lied. He lied. He's trying to manipulate. He's trying to frustrate him. He's trying to frustrate Nedu.
However, he called on the Inspector General of Police.
Inspector General of Police. Inspector General of Police, please call us. Call us to your office. I said everything I said. I said everything I said. Everything I said. I was the one that said it. Nobody told me anything to say. Nobody told me anything to say. Davina secret. All of you should come out. Support Nedu. That man is innocent. I said everything I said. Two-Face. Everybody. Burna Boy. Wizkid. Please. Nedu is innocent. Ali Baba, Nedu is innocent. Basket Mouth, Nedu is innocent. Bovy, Nedu is innocent. Everybody, Baba, everybody, Nedu is innocent. Don Jazzy. This is not a matter of whether you like D1 or not. It doesn't have, I don't care. Don't follow me in this life. Don't ever follow me anywhere. Don't give me anything. The truth must be said. Nedu is innocent. Very Dark Man lied. VDM lied against Nedu. He knows. He's trying to manipulate and frustrate that man to depression so that he will kill himself. No! No! No!
In the same vein, Sada Bodge, a content creator and influencer, also called out Nedu and the Honest Bunch crew, giving him a 24-hour ultimatum to explain Very Dark Man's claim that she wears a kilter, popularly known as imported used clothes. While this revelation has generated reactions online, we'll continue to monitor this story for more development, and you can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section below. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.